In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new domain in Hostinger, a straightforward guide that will simplify your experience with setting up a new domain. Whether you're looking to create a professional website or just experimenting with a personal space online, this process is crucial. Stay tuned, and let's dive right into getting your new domain up and running. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Hostinger platform. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. This will take you to the Hostinger homepage, where you can access all your web hosting needs. Once you're there, you should see a user-friendly interface designed to help you find what you're looking for with ease. From the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and menus. Here, look for the Domains section. This is your gateway to managing all things related to domain hosting with Hostinger. Click on the option labeled Get New Domain. It's prominently displayed to ensure you can't miss it, and it starts the process of securing a new domain. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your desired domain name. This is where the fun begins, as you have the freedom to choose a name that perfectly represents your brand, business, or personal project. Make sure to have a few options in mind just in case your first choice isn't available. Enter your preferred domain name into the search bar provided on the page. Hostinger will check the availability for you and suggest alternatives if your initial choice isn't available. This tool is particularly handy as it saves you the time and effort of manually checking each possible domain name. While choosing your domain name, consider using keywords that will boost your site's visibility in search engines. Also, keep it simple and memorable to make it easier for visitors to find and return to your site. Once you have a domain name in mind and it's available, you can proceed to the next step. After confirming that your desired domain name is available, it's time to move forward with the purchase process, which Hostinger streamlines to ensure you have no trouble completing your acquisition. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Be sure you have your payment details handy for this step. Hostinger offers multiple payment options, allowing for a smooth transaction process. Once the payment is completed, you now officially own your new domain. At this stage, you can start setting up your website, whether it's through Hostinger's website builder tools or by connecting to another service. This step is an exciting leap toward establishing your online presence. And there you have it, a seamless way to add a new domain in Hostinger. By following these steps, you now have the knowledge and confidence to manage domains efficiently on the Hostinger platform. Thanks for watching today's guide, and happy website building!